Yes, let's continue. We are going to prepare 1,3,5-tribromobenzene from aniline. Fine. So first is a direct bromination of aniline without acetylation. We know aniline is a highly activating group, so it allows all the positions ortho and para to be substituted by Br. Fine. So we have got Br at these three positions. Now we are close to this compound, only is the removal of this part. Fine. So it can be easily removed once we'll get diazonium salt. So we'll have diazotization reaction, that is formation of diazonium salt, followed by deamination will give the desired product. Fine. So we'll get here, we have converted NH2 group into diazonium, and further deamination reaction H3PO2. Fine. So you will get here the compound. This is substituted by hydrogen, no need to show. Fine. So we'll get this compound. Clear? So in that way, it's a very important conversion, but it's not a usual conversion. Here the conversions are through diazonium salts. Fine. This is how we have converted aniline into 1,3,5-tribromobenzene. Then another, we have preparation of synthesis of meta-nitrophenol. Meta-nitrophenol. So if you draw the structure of meta-nitrophenol, fine. So you see meta-nitrophenol, it's very difficult to prepare, fine, because OH is ortho and para directing in nature. So direct nitration of phenol will not give you this product, fine. So let's start this from the compound, that is meta-nitroaniline. Meta-nitroaniline. We have to reach here. Just you have to convert NH2 group into OH. Fine. So that can be done through diazonium salts. Fine. The diazotization reaction. Fine. So further followed by deamination reaction. So this, sorry, not deamination is not required here. We have to substitute here by OH group. So it is simply heating with water or boiling with water. Fine. So this group is simply replaced by OH, and you will get meta-nitrophenol. Fine. So this is again one unusual preparation using diazonium salts. Then I take up few more. Next preparation we have is synthesis of 1,2,3-tribromobenzene. The compound is 1,2,3-tribromobenzene. So very rare to prepare by direct bromination of benzene. So we'll start preparing this from the compound. This is para-nitroaniline. Fine. So para-nitroaniline is the starting material for the synthesis. We'll take bromine aqueous or in the presence of weak acid like acetic acid, or in the aqueous medium also. So there will be bromination at all available positions except para, because NO2 is already there. So we are at these two positions, and here you have is NO2. Fine. So our next task is to bring Br at this position and to remove this group. Fine. So for that, as NH2 is already there, so we take up diazonium. This is a diazotization reaction, and first it is preparation of diazonium salt for this compound. Now followed by, we require Br at that position, so we can take up Sandmeyer reaction, in which we can use CuBr, cuprous bromide, in the presence of HBr. We heat it, and we have got here Br, that is azo group is substituted by Br. Fine. Now the next task is to remove NO2, and NO2 can be easily removed by converting into diazonium salt, but first we have to reduce it to change it into NH2. Fine. So we can use the reducing agents like lithium aluminum hydride or H2 nickel. Fine. So a reduction will give us NH2 at this position. Fine. So I am writing the two conditions here. Number one will be diazotization reaction, and number two followed by a deamination reaction. This group is totally removed and you get here 1, 2, 3 tribromobenzene. So in that way you can see how useful diazonium salts are. Fine. So the last preparation in this regard, I take up is the synthesis of metabromotoluene. Fine. So you see again, as CH3 attached to benzene ring is ortho-para-directing, so its bromination will not give meta product. So we can prepare it. The starting material for this is para-toluidine. This is para-toluidine. Fine. So we have here, as we require only one Br at this position we require it. Fine. So if, like in the previous cases, if we go with the direct bromination in aqueous medium, then Br will come at this as well as at this position. But we don't require two Br, so we require only one bromine atom to be substituted here. So in that case we have to undergo controlled reaction here, controlled electrophilic substitution reaction. So for that it has to be first of all heated with acetic anhydride. Fine. So as a result it will convert NH2 group, it will acetylate NH2 group and will reduce its activity for substitution. Now followed by a bromination. Fine. There will be substitution only at the one of the ortho position, that is this compound is there. Fine. Now you can convert, slightly acidic medium is required here. You can convert this back to NH2 by hydrolysis in the acidic medium. Fine. So this we have already done while we have discussed aniline. So you have got here NH2, and now you know how to remove NH2 from the ring. Again,